Say hi to Papa and Grandma.
Hi, Papa and Grandma.
What's up? What's wrong with you? Milo.
Hi, Papa and Grandma.
And Ellie and them.
Hi, Ellie and them.
Who else is over there? Who else is over there, Eli? Keep pointing. Who else is over there?
Bill.
And who else?
Jen.
And who else?
Maya.
And who else?
Roger.
Who else?
Terrell. Grandma.
Okay.
Papa.
Okay. You didn't even say Naima.
Naima. Moses. Papa.
What about Ete?
Ete. Tala. Who else?
Jan.
Jen. Who else?
Rhonda.
Who else?
What are you gonna say to them? Talk to them.
Maya.
Talk to her.
Maya.
And who else? Who else? Say something to Uncle Roger.
Uncle Roger.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Okay, what which? What do you want, which?
Say no.
Say awa. Do your Fali mode. Go into. What are you doing? Your gangster signs. Say Auntie Ellie, what's up? Do it, Maya. Do it, Jarrell. I mean, do it, Lilo. Play music so they can dance. Right? You want what?
Down.
What? You want to go down?
Down.
Who? Who? What? Want an eye?
No, Eli.
Look how dirty you are.
She said Eli.
Hold on, man. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. I love you. Okay, say bye. Yeah, I'm recording you. Say bye. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
That's it?
Yeah.
You can say you love you?
Goodbye, Jarrell.
It's not only Jarrell over there.
The cowboy. Is that Lilo? Or Maya? Or Maya?
Okay, say love you guys.
Love you guys.
Holler at you later.
Yeah, later.